I think you should just tell me what to say, because that's what would make my life easier. If you really loved me, you would tell me.
Not a chance.
Not a chance?
Not a chance.
Not a chance? Hey, I'm Lynne Knowlton from Design the Life You Want to Live, and I'm going to teach you how to make a ribbed blanket. It's so pretty in real life. I have to show you. I decorated mine with some pom-poms, but here's the deal. It's 4 knit, 4 purl. It's called CLARA on my blog, and it is stunning. Get ready to get your learn on. So what I'm going to show you is how to do this rib stitch pattern. I love these pom-poms, where you can see 4 knit, 4 purl, 4 knit, 4 purl. And the reason you can tell that these are a knit and these are a purl is that the knit has these little tiny little V's and the purl look like straight little lines. And it's so nice and easy to knit this blanket because you can see the pattern before you. So you know that there's a knit stitch, you're going to knit that stitch. When you see these purl stitches, you're going to purl these stitches. We're going to start this blanket by 4 knit stitches. So we have 1. The first row is always the hardest, so don't get discouraged. This is the hardest part for sure because you can't really see what you're doing, you just have to keep track. There we go, we have 4 knit stitches. We're going to bring our yarn forward and we're going to do 4 purl stitches. It starts to look gorgeous. I'm going to put my yarn back because now I'm going to do 4 knit stitches. That was row number 1 we just completed. It's a bit loose here on the end, but we can tighten that up. When you look at it, you can see that there are 4 knit, 4 purl, 4 knit. So because I finished with 4 knitting, I'm going to start my next row with 4 purling because the back of a knit stitch is a purl and we want it to stay consistent. So I can see that this is a purl stitch because it's going straight like a little line there. Put my yarn back because I'm about to do 4 knit stitches. Now we have 4 purl stitches to finish with, and you can kind of start to see the beginnings of those little lines for purls. So let's do 4 purl. Done. We started our pattern to create a blanket. You can see 4 knit, 4 purl, 4 knit, and suddenly you'll have a gorgeous blanket. I hope that video for learning how to do a ribbed blanket was amazing for you and you got your learn on, and I hope you end up making an amazing, gorgeous blanket. I'll see you on the blog.